Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Nissan Qashqai door handle. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a trim removal tool, a Torx screwdriver set, and of course, your brand new replacement handle. Make sure you have a well-lit and safe area to work in. Understanding the basic components of your door will make the process much smoother. This preparation ensures a successful and efficient repair. Next, let's carefully remove the old handle. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel using your trim removal tool. Disconnect any electrical connectors you encounter, such as those for window switches. Locate and unbolt the 2 or 3 Torx screws that secure the handle in place. Finally, detach the connecting rods or cables from the handle mechanism, being mindful not to damage them during this crucial step. Now, it's time to install your new door handle. Carefully connect the new handle to the existing connecting rods or cables, ensuring a secure fit. Then, fasten the new handle using the 2 or 3 Torx screws you removed earlier, tightening them snugly but not excessively. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the door panel. Before proceeding, take a moment to test the new door handle's functionality to confirm it operates correctly. Finally, let's reassemble everything and perform a final check. Carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all the clips align perfectly. Press firmly around the edges of the door panel to secure it back into its original position. Verify that the new door handle opens and closes smoothly and correctly. Also, check for any loose parts or unusual noises to ensure a complete and successful repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.